The smoke alarm never goes off during the day. Only at night. Only after I fall asleep. I've replaced the batteries twice. I've cleaned it. I even unplugged it once, but the sound still came, shrill and panicked, dragging me out of my dreams. Last night I didn't wake up right away. I remember the beeping continuing inside the dream, rhythmic and urgent. When I finally opened my eyes, the alarm was silent. The air smelled wrong. Not smoke, more like warm breath. And the red light on the alarm blinked slowly, like it was counting something around me.